We have some breaking news that's coming in. Kerala's Special Investigation Team has filed a charge sheet in the rape case registered against actor and CPIM MLA Mukesh. The charge sheet states that there's digital evidence against the MLA. The digital evidence includes messages between him and the survivor. The case alleges that actor Mukesh sexually assaulted the actress by promising her membership in the AMMA, which is a prominent association for Malayalam movie artists. He was granted anticipatory bail. Shibimul KG is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Shibimul, give us the latest on what you're picking up. We're hearing that the Kerala SIT has filed a charge sheet against actor Mukesh.
Well, yes, the SIT has filed this charge sheet last week is what we're understanding. In fact, this is against a rape case actually registered against the actor by an actress based in Ernakulam. After the Hema Committee report came out, we saw after the Hema Committee report was published, a lot of complainants coming out and, raising allegations against many of the prominent actors. Mukesh was one among them. What we're getting to know is there's been, in the charge sheet, it states that there's evidence against the complainant's allegation. And also says that there's been some digital evidences that the SIT has managed to get. This incident took place long ago, so it was a difficult procedure for them also to collect such digital evidences. But they managed to get few messages between the actor as well as the survivor. And some email messages also is what we're understanding. And also they've also managed to get some circumstantial evidences and also some eyewitnesses. Some people, there have been some evidences that showcases that both of them were found at the same location around the time when the complainant raised these allegations. So these are the evidences that has been found by the SIT. The SIT was formed also after many complainants came out. The Kerala government had directed to form an SIT. And the SIT since then has been probing many cases. There have been 68 cases registered against various people in the Malayalam film industry after many complaints were registered. Now, we've also, since he's not just an actor, he's also an MLA. He's been a two-time MLA for the ruling CPIM. The CPIM has said that for now he will continue, is what they're saying, even after the charge sheet has been filed. Very surely this issue will be raised by the opposition Congress in the coming days. But for now, the CPIM has said that he'll continue to, hold the post. Let the court decide what is to be done. If the court finds him guilty, then we'll take a call, is what the CPIM has also responded to it.
Absolutely, Shibimul. Thanks for bringing us all those details on that story.